Ladies and gentlemen, amanyanze Subi Jonathan Edwards, abasinga mumanyi ng'omulongo Dr. Gordon Samagonja. Era nga right now ndine Evelyn Namulondo agenda okubanga ye presenter waffe ku channel yaffe eno. Please subscribe to her channel bagiyita Namulondo Evelyn. Evelyn Namulondo. Subscribe and click the bell for notifications. Tuwaba video nkeze ng'osobola ogiraba n'otegeera buli kimu ekijja. Leero bambi ankyazizza. I'm so honored and humbled okubanga ndi naye. Yaze my humble dwelling, Evelyn. Thanks for coming, and may God bless you.
You're welcome. Hi everyone, this is Namulondo Evelyn. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Evelyn Namulondo. Tewelabira okunyiga akade 222. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, yes, get it. Jukira siri muyimbi. Banange olunaku lwaffe olwaleero nga mbaleetedde mwana mezi. Kozi oli soda w'abakyala?
Kamulali w'abakyala.
Oh my God. Kamulali w'abakyala. Amulade kamulali. Naye Subi one time ojja kunzita. Ojja kunzita. Okimanyi buli lwembeera nawe bamu kuseka. On set, kuseka. Everywhere. Nze negwa mukolo Subi nga kusanze. Onsesa. Era baleka ne batulonda nga tuzannya wamu onsesa. In fact, ndowooza gwe omu ku ba ebodies abasinga okunsesa. Like bebeera nabo nempulira nga like ndikulamu.
Such a pleasure.
Okay. Kakati se obadde nsaba obanjulira amannya go.
Amannya nze Subi Jonathan Edwards, abasinga abamanyi nga Dr. Gordon Samagonja, omulongo Ebonies OMG. Egamanya.
Omulongo. Nga dia sekatawa si.
Obadde ki kwacho nono. Wali amanya makusike batensite ndagamba. Ani gogane alangira nze sekatawa public kwacho.
Sekatawa kitulume.
Sekatawa Chitegula.
Oh, Chitegula. Oh, where did I?
Dira mamba. Abe mamba mwenna muri baganda bange muri bachatumanya banyo. Abe mamba mwenna.
Obadoga bakyala.
Muri banyinaze sorry. Muri banyinaze ba.
Oh, wamba bagamba abe mamba tebaziza. Is it true?
Tebaziza na yenze nziza munanga unfortunately. Nekisinzira enewe.
Okay.
Kisinzira nnyonnyo. We mamba ki. Chiri chitiyembere etya. Nenga really abe mamba tuziza.
Amukwano kanzire mu mamba shokane wa mamba ki. Anti obera wa mamba chi. Oh, bane ndimsanyifu nnyo kwa otusiza olwaleero. Ampazi kati wano wetuliwa because nabane manyinga enda kusanga ku VCL no filming OMG naye wentuse okuseti ndaba this is not VCL. Yeah, balabi
bagamba omutwese sanduko. Tenga ba artists Ebonies etuyigiriza ebintu bingi nnyo netuzala okuyigiriza mukama waffe atuyigiriza nti omutwese sanduko. Keep learning new ideas. We feel it better every single time. So this is my very small office for my small online shop.
Okay.
JS Appliances.
Oh, we bali kola. Every journal imanyi okola because like on stage series TV. Ya kirungi kakati obulabi alieyo mami Subi huyo abadvising atobeera ku kintu kimu mutwese sanduko bulisa obeere ng'oyiya okole kino okole kiri okole kiri. Dr. Gordon Mami Samagonja, Jonathan Subi Edwards Chitegula. Yes, wazalibwa wa obulamu bwo buze butambula butya. Family muri bameka, mami yani amanyage, daddy yani amanyage. Yes.
Well, nazalibwa my hospital of birth is actually in Kenya.
Hey, so you are Kenyani?
No, I'm Uganda by everything else apart from birth.
Oh my God, na sister. Dr. Gordon na Kenya.
Yes, nazalibwa mu kifo bakita Eldoret mu ddwaliro bagitanga Jamaa Hospital. Jamaa Hospital. My daddy had gone there okusoma masters ya theology. Eventually naatuukayo naayita na excelling abulungi masters ate naasomesa mu Daystar International University of Kenya. So mu time eyo twazaalibwayo babiri very fast. Nze ne mugana wa mazirako Wesley. So tuita ba Jamaa boys.
Oli asamba omupiira.
So that's why we're very close because of that. And Mbana Kazali was 1989, now they told 19 December. So the action was very, very intense in Kenya. Yes, in Kenya, there was no joking.
Mami yali over.
Mami yali na
Mami, daddy yaveno Uganda.
Yeah, Kenya family in Mchala way. Bali almost newly wedded by no one. My video then. So they will call it Anze. Immediately, there is a speed and drastic police and
oh my God.
As a family. So we are 6 and we have some other, it's a wide family. We could be 12, 6 and in Africa we have what they call an extended family. One relatives, now so it's a big family. So we are more than 30, I could say.
Okay, Kati, Mami Asangi Wawa.
Mami Alika Jansi, it was in 1992. That is, I'm 31 years of age, by the way. It was in 1992 when I was 3. So, see, I'm not you can at all. We just found giving evidence that I was in Kenya. So, Janazari, where you?
Oh, Kati, Ngabwe, Dr. Bodo, now, wow, Banases,
one girl and 2 boys.
I Banases never to be
Banases, well, Kati, Banases that you want them says another more Zari Borusi, but Mangalam Charo Zara and Preto Zoom and Banases.
I don't know
Banases. What was the results of the results in Chamanga, Makraji, and results the Saraka Cham.
This is not
out! On Bonsumatos, but the Marina Assembly. The dwelling on Baden immediately. The Sisaki and Bianchi movie at Dwelling Saga Saga.
Dr. Gordon Mumsanga will not change. Akati echira manisu mu industry no wakamala
emyaka 10
because people bagala okumanya
10 wonderful beautiful years kuba najoininga 2010 when I was at campus in my second year. That's how I joined. Then back at 10 years.
Okay. Oh, what did it in the group?
Yes.
Oh. Really? Oh, Nancy Sagamania. Ago naino gabunya mutwali yo muntu.
Aveva na ye usually bitu bya private. Yo group ya because walo bitunga you might have private life ye. For example, simanyi walo katatu omuntu kayinzo banako wano. Asina kama ya that's private bit of life. But aveva. Yes, very, very clean and this and that.
Kati nganze nze ngamba happy kusanyana kuzeko. Rachi people bakuita Chief Bonka. Are you
Bana bakachulira kati for the first time.
Wakachulira kati?
Gwachingana.
Oh.
Bampita
Chief Bonka. Obafa bagawulira okubine ancestor.
Maybe that word, maybe in Latin, the meaning most religious man. Chitufu. Kuba sabanyo. In Latin, that's the meaning. But if we all the time, crying to God and begging God,
Dr. Godon,
yes.
Muzanyo chigo asokera ko stage.
Nazanyira kumuzanyo wa Blissful Hell Sekokuli. Kwa ushering mu industry. Togambe bantu haya I joined because I joined in a miraculous manner. I think tuli batona abajoyininze nganze nti okuba nti bazze ne bakusogako we batyo olugalo Dr. Bosa n'omwami Paul Jingo n'omwami Raymond Shabiro ne basonga bati waliwo role gye baagala particular role ne basonga kwekuyigira kwangoko group
gweno omusago omulungi nti wajja role gye baagala ne bakusonga konze balina role gye baagala then naye basonga kumala naye ne bagamba sigalawo nange yinzira yange yaliweewo yes balina then omulala olina kikola bintu nnyo okusinga ate yali mutonyo yokunze then ne bagamba naye sigalawo then nange nekyuligaleka naye kyenyumiriza because kati nafuuka kyebi because of ekitibwa DWK mwami bagenda mwami olanya so abantu bangi nnyo abalibolizi change mbebaza bwebaza and ekyokubiri muzanyo ekyokukyasinza okunyumya gwoze ne stage n'ogamba nti
stage baku screen
Okay, John Bikali, but screen or body
Screen OMG, my God, the twins. That's an experience. We were filming our own experience. It was a Dr. Gordon, Nothing Semamonja, two different people in one Kugamba. It is very, very, very amazing. Chisanyusa. Era siroza ati waliwo ekintu mu bulamu bwange ekyaki equalinze mu challenge n'okunyumirwa and the reception okuva mu bantu naye kuzaamu amaanyi. Then ku stage, it was the black melodrama. In Underwood, and Dr. Boss, I was a houseboy.
Hey,
then I transformed.
I remember.
That was amazing.
Okay. And wasomera wachulide kona je wasomera wakoma primary wa joining a campus.
My education background, natandikira nursery sijjukira at all. I don't have any recollection whatsoever.
Kenyani.
I'm listening to Jansen Soma. Najja mu Uganda ng'anina 3 years. Nagenda kobe Mugongo, I don't know. Mugongo Primary School from P1 sijjukira. All I remember P2 nali Emitie Mito Nursery School. Emitie Mito Primary School. Ekanyanya. Erisomero lyange gye liri. I'm going to visit you guys very soon. Nzije twale bitabo twale biki tupreparinga abaana. I'm Bob B, by the way. I'm just jukira Emitie Mito. I was the first term 1, term 2, term 3. Number 1, P2. Emitie Mito. The young lady Jukira, we end up records in the Boba and Jukira because I will go there, I will drive there in Babuzeko. P3, I went to Mengo Primary School. Then from P4 to P7, I went to Buganda Primary School. From Mengo na Vayu, that one I shifting on your reference to Banyum before. Yes. So, senior 1, I went to Buloba High School for senior 1. It's a very good school. I have mentorship, and I was the best. The third time I remember senior 1.
Yeah.
When I was the best, my mom, they were actually Macquarie College School. So Macquarie College School, they are shaping Oblambuange up to what I am now. Because they are senior 2, you're introducing her to music.
Madinda,
the vocal, everything, the whole music subject. I fell in love. That is why Form 6, Macquarie College School, I was the best in the country in music. Uganda, you now is number 1.
Hey.
Yes, and I got government sponsorship for music. You didn't know? I was the best. I didn't University of Kuala Law, where I got 21 points from 6. So, I didn't finish Papula, and I Kuala Law. Mammy, government sponsorship for you. So I was the newspapers. So, I'm like, alright. So I went and pursued music. And I'm second year music. Sanga. Your fate. You're going to be an artist. You're going to be very popular. You're going to be working. You're going to be in the future. Now shaping and then I joined the best group in Eastern Central Africa and the world over.
And now we like a young girl, okay. I tell you what you're going to get out of the what you love. What I am be. Never, yeah, what tell me only to no see. Dr. Gordon, I'll by then while you love work at the music you want back.
Bodies, no, you're not bodies. When you talk about it now, but of course, you know, I don't know what that already in the studios, we are all around us. And those songs, they were more or less signature tunes for the plays that what I call a Shantunusi, the main song, the main song. So,
in fact, when tunes they talk about London.
Exactly. So I just feel a bit lucky and honored for everybody's a platform of what sometimes and they are put up there. So it's all everybody's.
Kakati ndoza nkweitire Dr. Gordon.
No problem.
Kati nza tudde wano mbeere Nancy.
Gwe Nancy Evelyn kumanye mputu.
Nzijenga Nancy Evelyn.
Mputu kimanye neddalu.
Okay, bannange.
Yabuyiga.
Naye Dr. neweeredde olwaleero. Abalabi leero nange ndi musanyufu lwensoosa okutuulako ne Dr. Gordon ne tutuula. Because buli saa Dr. Gordon naye abango baweyongere eri ate gende eri ate bamukubye ebyangwiridde bannange. Bane Dr. musanyufu. Kati Dr. Gordon nekankubuze how do you feel ng'ozanya eyo part? Ndaba part ozanya bbiri Dr. Gordon ne Semagonja. okikola otya because abalabi baffe balyakadde okumanya.
Well, it is not me at all. It is VCL Studios with the patronship of our big chairman, JWK Sembadwe. The brain behind everything. He's my maker, because he chose me for this big role.
Yes.
You know, role Yabarongo, I think it's the highlight of my life. And tumudde triple olw'ensonga nti mulimu that wow yenjawulo eri special, especially eri mu bantu baffe tugenda e Masaka ababoda nga babeetinga ssente bali babiri balala wa yonna yonna. So I credit that to VCL Studios under the mentorship of my big boss.
Okay.
So since that VCL Studios, technology and everything.
Okay, oweekitiibwa JWK tusiima tweyanza nnyo nange kantwala obusogo omwebaza kati because nange olaba as a nurse evening oweekitiibwa JWK and ankoledde n'ebintu bingi neyanza nnyo ssebo my boss kwagala nnyo ssebo kati kankubuuzemu nange olaba olumu nurse evening olumu era amazanya naawe kati olumu nga oba Godoni yazze nange kyembuzaako nenga oba Semagunja yaliwo oba Godoni nenga nayegerewe katugende n'ekigo. Okay, kati kankubuzeeyo eyo pati gy'ozannya because nze ntambula nnyo naawe ati kati nasibling yaliwa sinamulondolidde ntambula nnyo naawe like Masaka, Dubai, America, where bane ogenda olaba audience y'okukyala Godon kati olumu nange ne nansesita tumayoga ye bano ffe nansesita ne nansibling tuli wano naye abawala biki okikola otya abafaani abo tofuna buzibu because nga ndaba bafaani bannange ate bakyala kyokola nkuyita soda wabakyala.
Yes, abo bafans bangi nnyo naye kyonna kigoyinga down to okumanya who you are, what you are, nekyogoba mu maaso eyo. So when the fans shout and scream at you, deep down you're feeling so humbled, nogamba wow, thank you God for everything, kwebazanyira nsima. Then you focus. You focus mtuwele no mukava. Chevula bakofisi kankali no kapo wa munde you deep down. You can't tell mbele no every single morning. Mbasiri kwebonies bera one. Planning, kuhiya, kutetenkanya. So that way they don't get to see you so much. Na hira kibakula bakakatono kamera.
Wama chetuva tukunoonya mu filming nobere noganeba nesuubi nzasinga nokulekana eyo kimanyi suubi oli wa suubi filming obeera oli wano ku office yo se nomba mmanyi oba suubi abamuswaga
naye byonna byonna it's because of Ebony's ne training ne mentorship mukama wange teyamba yonna yona background yagituwa era bw'obeera mu Ebony's you can never fail in life okujjako nga yo simple lazy kuba byonna babituwa gwe kasita okola mukamawo kyakutendeka n'okikuteka mu nkola become successful. Chola even Nasibling, she has her own YouTube channel. Yes. Right now atambudde anoonyeza agenda kuleetera celebrities bonna all the way from the top to the bottom. Kagamba gonna magezi ga Ebony's kuba nti you don't do just one thing, you do so many different things.
Yeah, kukola buli kintu. Kati ekirala kibuuza kino bafans bange balengera nnyo ku TVs ki ne bakimbuuza abanaye ne bakimbuuza nenyinyonyola leero baleeteddeko ne Dr. Godoni naye nsaba bakyogere omanyi babeereeyo ne bagamba nti mukama waffe Dr. Bosa nti atwagala ffe abaana atukozesa wama njagala naawe leero okyogereko eri kamera because bulijjo nkinyonyodde naye tekuteba kitegeera kati njagala ne Dr. Godoni akibanyonyoleko olwaleero.
Well, part of the blame is ku media. Sometimes banoonya controversy. But that group like Ebony's, very beautiful girls in it. So they look for the controversy. What can sell? Nenga personally, the Dr. Bosa nange yanyinza group. Era najambi bungi ebyo when I yingida. But I found a completely different story. Dr. Bosa is a very big man, respectable gentleman. And we have the leadership of our chairman, JWK Sembadwe, as I said earlier. So, emirandira Ebony's nigumivu nnyo, tekiri too cheap. Kyokozesa abaana buli gwola mu Ebony's alina life ye ey'enjawulo, alina either boyfriend or girlfriend, abamu bali single, people have their lives. Tewali that sexual harassment, nothing like that. No. Era tekiriwo ekyo. I'm saying this and I swear upon the living God that it is not true at all. We are very disciplined and extremely professional. Tujja kukola kyatuleeta tudda mu byaffe. That's it. So kyabulimba kyabusiru it's rubbish. I rubbish it immediately.
Ja nga bwe mukibuliddeko bulijjo kibanyonyola mbaga nti ffe mu Ebonyi tuli ba Luganda. Ffe ekyo mukama waffe kyatusomesa Mwami Katende nti buli ali wano aba muganda wo. Ne Dr. Gordon omulaba wadde Nancy Evelyn tudde wano muganda wange. Dr. Bosa naye aba muganda wange ate abaddabi wange. Kanzireyo ewa Mwami Suuli nga tuvudde ku kya Ebonyi. Bannange olina abakyala bameka kuba banendaba abawala. Newe mbeera hi Subi, Subi sending a corner. Hi Gordon. Kati, how many girlfriends do you have?
I have one girlfriend.
You have one. So funze Subi aina girlfriend tano nya. Are you married?
So very soon.
Very soon. Weka kola mkolo nga Nancy study Nancy take
ate era mu business okemba tegeze
yes.
Mu committees plan nga bwe
tukuono nacho Nancy utabula.
Era mutabule naye eventually to.
Neka Brita yako. Kanzire Nancy Evelyn Dr. Gordon nkulabula. Kabrita bagamba nagategerera ku dwaliro mukabera wowaka. How? Nafe banasi tuchazi tubeere nga tusula. Kavudewo. Oh, thank God you are coming. Bangambi olina omusudani chubula. Olina omusudani woliko bannange ze.
Oyo Suzi mwagala nnyo.
Bannange.
Yebwe bulamu bwange mwagala nnyo nnyo.
Oh my God.
Gwe som Sudan.
Yeah.
Mutala gwe som Sudan. Nancy Evelyn.
Yes.
Out!
Doctor, I mean
out of the hospital. Nja kugoba mu ddwaliro gwe. Ojolozanyira ku Nancy.
Oh, mananga atava ku mulungi afaawoza mbadde nkyanyumirwa okubeera nga nene Dr. Gordon wange atuwayamne nja kumuza mu part 2 banayika abasibe tweyanza ne tweyanzeeke.
Bannange mwebale nnyo kulaba this interview era nga mbasaba bambi if not subscribe yet to Namulondo Evelyn, subscribe, click the bell below ojja kulaba akadaabo nga buli lwatiko interview ya celebrity obumuntu yamwenaina click the link, I mean click the bell noba ngofuna notifications ezo buli lwatiko ekintu but Evelyn Namulondo
and can subscribe to my
subscribe to her YouTube channel. Don't forget that.
Yes. Oh, doctor, wait.
Out! Nancy Evelyn, out!
Yes. Oh my
I said out of my hospital.
Oh my God, doctor.
Out of my office.
Oh. Atakati.
Out!
Toneta again.
Genda kugoba.
Toneta agate ngende toneta.
Dr. Mshanga.
Hey.
Out.